In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now to get started, head over to your picture on the bottom right to expose your profile, and here it is. Now once you tap on it, you will see your menu icon here. So tap on the menu, and this will give us various account settings that you can perform on our account. So to log out or to sign out of your Instagram account, scroll down until you get to the bottom. Now here you can see we have the log out option. Go ahead and tap on it to log out. Before you log out, you may be requested to add your accounts to the same account center. Go ahead and agree on it or log out without adding them. So I just want to log out now, and therefore I'll choose the first option, log out now. And then the process will begin, and within a short period of time, I am now logged out. If you want to completely remove this profile from this smartphone or from this device, just go ahead and tap on this ellipsis here, and then you will have an option here to remove this profile from this device. So if you tap on this, it will go ahead and remove the profile completely from the device. So let me go ahead and remove it. And here we go, confirm. And the final step here is to tap on remove. Now once you do it, you have to know that you'll need to enter your username or password the next time I want to log into my profile. So I want to confirm by tapping on remove, and that is done. Now you can see I have completely logged out of my Instagram account on my smartphone. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.